gazına, cobuna sopasına, tekmelerin asına. Eyvallah, eyvallah. Sallıyor bana utanmadan, sıkılmadan. Gözlerim yanar ama ezilmedim, azalmadım. Özgürüm dedim, hala haklıyım dedim, hala sana.
It was my dream that a change in consciousness of people. In here, everybody are in solidarity. They try to make something together. They are resisting together. All people, too many people are staying for I don't know, maybe 10 days. I guess it's 10 days in here. And everybody are asking, what can I do for helping? What can I don't know. Everybody wants to do something in here, and everybody very polite. They started to look into each other's eyes, and I don't know if we will achieve like, I don't know, like revolution or something, but this is important for me. In here, in Taksim Square, in Gezi Parkı, I'm trusting people. I feel that people are trusting each other. There is no money. For several days I didn't spend any money, for example. I'm living in here for several days, and yeah, it's the definition of happiness right now for me.
Sizler için El Fatiha. Gel başına, ya hep beraber, ya hiçbirimiz kurtuluş yok. Gel başına, ya hep beraber, ya hiçbirimiz. Her yer Taksim, her yer birleşik. Her yer Taksim, her yer birleşik.
The main thing here in Turkey is that we had this oppressive government for 10 years, and it was a mainly Islamist government. And first of all, they came with so-called freedom speeches and things like that, and a lot of people followed them because the people felt already oppressed because of their predecessor government. And they came to power, and first it was no big thing, everything was okay, everyone had their freedom of speech, and they could live as they would like to, but year by year they had crazy constitutional laws like the recent booze regulation, which now prohibits selling booze after 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. I'm sorry, 10 p.m. and there is this abortion law, and after-day pills are prescribed right now, and no one can buy them without prescription, and how are you supposed to buy it? And they're basically trying to just rule the country with oppressive regime and with their authoritarian. But people are saying no right now.
Kardeşliği, yaşasın halkların kardeşliği, yaşasın halkların kardeşliği.
Bu ülkede artık hiçbir şey eskisi gibi olmayacak. Bu ülkede artık hiçbir şey eskisi gibi olmayacak. İstanbul bizim! İstanbul bizim!
Video Occupy, we established Video Occupy for the need of a collective memory of this moment, and also there was a need of quick video making and distributed to the media, because there was a lot of this information about this movement. And in the second, we started in the third day to shoot and to gather all the videos that people shooted, and we built the office near to here, and there is a desk in the Gezi Park to gather the people who is shooting in the Gezi Park. Actually, we don't know how long it's gonna be take, and but we don't care. We are in here, and we will continue to be in here and produce video and a collective memory of this experience. And we want to share with other people. And we don't think how long it's gonna take. We hope that it's gonna take forever. It will stay a property of people, this park. Every kind of people participating to this occupation. Also, of course, there is a class struggle in here and a reaction of class, but also is cultural, mostly cultural, I can say, because the system of Turkey is pressuring the lifestyle of the people, first of all, and people want back their lifestyle and their thoughts. But I think in the very ground, it's a class struggle still.
Gel
is an organization that resists against the government, and it's a public people's organization. Its main aim is free education and free health organization. And now we fight against the neoliberal politics. We want democracy and freedom for all Turkish people, and we fight against this. And there is no democracy in Turkey. There is lots of police violence in Turkey also. All the protests they fight, and they don't give permission all the protests. And now there is a resistance against all these situations. I think.
Bugün buradayız.
The government, the state itself is performing very much pressure on the democratic rights of the people in Turkey in terms of media and by means of media and by means of the police forces, and they are using very hard violence against the people, against the civilian people in Turkey, and the state itself calls us the violators and çapulcu, you know,
Plunderers,
looters. Yeah, looters. And we started to declare our all pleasures, our all wishes in this country to change this country in a democratic way.
Well, the ignition of this demonstration has been startled by desire for freedom of expression, which has been deterred for 10 years since he came to power, but people did not feel the urge to express it. They accumulated it, but it's the gas that exploded at this final point when they removed the big trees that the romantics or the environmentalists were paying more concern to, just to keep the trees at least. Stick to the trees, forget about the rest. As long as we keep the trees, we can restart it. But they removed, they removed the last big trees, although they had promised that they would not remove any trees. And once they did it, so there was a party of like 40-50 people. They were the architects and city planners, and they evoked. It was very spontaneous, and they went towards the bulldozers and took action, and the police force stormed. And all of a sudden, gradually, people heard this. It was very naive, not political at all, just for the concern of environment. That was it. But what was behind it was the pressure that came out on the surface.
Değerli BDP'li kardeşlerim.
Sonu geçer miyiz?